You know it's time for effective skincare when beach vacation leaves you with the worst tan and pigmentation. So I pulled out vitamin C and niacinamide together. We'll start off with cleansing, and I have to appreciate this Wow's Vitamin C cleanser with the built-in brush. It also has lemon extracts, orange extracts, but most of all, I actually love it because of the brush. Here's a brand that also makes good vitamin C products. This is Zen and Maya's Kaolin Face Mask. It removes dead skin buildup, dirt and impurities, and you'll be able to see how it leaves my skin looking so fresh after 15 minutes of keeping it on. A little mandate hydration before putting on the Plum's Rice Water 10% niacinamide serum. Niacinamide helps with the hyperpigmentation, whereas there's also amazing ingredients in it like vitamin E and natural caffeine. This right here is my best find, the Zen and Maya's Vitamin C Day Cream with SPF 15, and guess what? It is shea butter based. It's amazing. Look how I glow.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.